Come test drive this 2022 Jeep Compass. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, heated steering wheel, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and leather upholstery. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.